What's up? In the previous video of this transition series, we scratched and ended our phrase with a 16th note, the of beat 3, and then drop the record on beat 4. We're still going to scratch and drop on beat 4, but now we'll end the phrase with the and of beat 3. Time to go over the phrase. Here we go. If you haven't done so already, make sure to practice these transitions with both hands. As I've said before, we want clean and even strokes, and we want to get a consistent sound. But if you haven't been practicing with both hands, you're more than likely going to hear a difference in tone with your weak hand. That's normal, so don't worry about it. Let's move on to the transition. Here we go. Being able to use both hands is convenient. The thing is, you have to work on it. If you haven't been practicing with your weak hand, it's probably going to feel uncomfortable. Don't let that discourage you. Check out our Baby Scratch and Chirp playlists. Go through the series and practice with both hands. But here's the thing, make sure to download the PDFs because they'll make practicing the rhythms much easier. Links are in the description. 15 to 20 minutes a day will surprise you. Get in the reps. Peace.